transforming graphs. I got to do this. I think that's silly me, okay? Ready? If I'm a parabola, what can the parabola do from your point of view? I can move left, I can move right. Ready? I can move up. It's a struggle for me. I can move down. So what's our choices? Up, down, left and right. There's one choice left that we worry about. Reflect upside down, man. Reflect. And here's the stupid thing about reflect sideways. So, really see over the years I keep thinking to myself, will I teach this with parabolas or will I teach it with something else? So if I'm a cubic, move right, move left, like I think your point of view, move up, move down, all the same. Reflect that way. Reflect that way. Yeah, okay. And now go, wait a minute. The trouble is with the cubic, the calculations become worse, so it's a bit harder to represent it. So how do we say, really going to shortcut this whole process? Up and down. What happens to go up and down? So let's start with the most basic one of all. Let's actually, even though I've said I've been over the years thinking of doing something other than that. Now, any doubt in your brain that goes through 0, 0, it goes through 1, 1, and it goes through minus 1, 1. So simple graph, should do fussy, more fussy, get it like that. So if I want to move it up 3, what do I do to move it up 3? Everyone says plus 3, so that's up 3. How do we write that properly in maths? Cut starts with T, got lots of letters. Come on, say it for me. Translate. Translate up 3. So we've got the up and downs. Now let's look at the ups and downs. What's the other really obvious one? Next squared take 10 is obviously down 3. Down 3, what did I say 3 for? While I was saying 10, writing it, I was looking at the 3 for some reason. So I'm saying it wrong one. Here we go. So what's that one? Translate. Down 10. Look at the words. Will you get away with this? You probably get away with move up 3. You're rushing an exam or move down 3. Depends on what's happening in who's marking and how they're doing it, whether you get away with it. So there's the up and downs. What's the next one? Left and right. Oops, left and right. Have this little, you've heard me nagging now. Up and down, anything that's vertical, well, I'm going to call it vertical, is, I use the word normal. Or I should say vertical does. Is that good English? Vertical does normal. So that says plus 3, it went up 3, you'd expect that, that's normal. And you heard me nag about this one. So if I wrote, instead of the x squared, if I wrote x minus 4 squared, vertical's normal. So outsides are normal, vertical. So outsides, it wasn't under the control of that squared, it wasn't stuck inside the bracket, it's outside or lonesome, it's a constant out there. That's under the control of that, so it's not an outside. So anything that's inside, you heard me nag about. Anything inside does the opposite. Outsides are vertical, insides are which way? So that one, am I going to move right 3 or left 3? From your point of view, I'm moving that way. Good. Move 3. So insides are horizontal. Insides are opposite. So that'll be move right. So we could say move right. Move right for, yeah. What we say properly. Translate right for. So then of course I can go y equals x plus 7 squared. What's that one? Everyone says? Move. Someone say it for me.
Left side.
Thank you. Your voice is better than mine. I get sick of the sound of mine. Move left 7. Translate. So the debate for you guys all the time will become you have to say translate. I was sitting at school and my teacher said you could say move or translate, but translate was better. I think I'd just write translate. But I can write fast. I've seen students who don't write fast. One of the highest results I ever had from a student in their Year 12 exams was one of the slowest riders I've ever seen. Interesting. She went to shortcut and do all sorts of stuff. Up and down, left and right. What's the last one left? And of course, if you look over here, you see a lot of them up here. Up and down, left and right, reflect, or reflection. How do we do those? I go to the minus of x squared there. Now here's the annoying part. This is why we usually don't teach it with parabolas, but this is really obvious, this one. So if I had that parabola there, and I put a minus there, what do I do with it? That's a terrible diagram. Turns upside down. Is the minus on the outside or is the minus on the inside? That's on the outside. So it's outside. Outsides are normal, what do you want to call it? Normal, vertical. Now here's the annoying part about teaching this with parabolas. This is the only spot where it's annoying though. I'll put the minus on the inside. It's a bit dumb, isn't it? Have a look at the minus of x squared. So it's an annoying way to teach it. Stays the same. What does it say the same? If that becomes that and that becomes that. So it's probably in some ways the worst way to teach it. The easiest way to teach is parabolas, but when you come to that one, it's annoying. So what's that? Insides. Insides do the opposite. I didn't, in this case, they don't do the opposite. Insides reflect which way? Sideways. So you're allowed to say reflect sideways? Reflect in the y-axis. So I talk about it being sideways, or better still than sideways, I talk it being horizontal. So we're not reflecting vertically, we're reflecting horizontally. So insides are horizontal. So it's almost like you need an overriding rule to everything. How many rules do you need though? The less rules the better. One rule. Outsides are vertical. I wish we could think of a good thing on it. Outsides have, let's write it properly, have a vertical effect. So in learning that rule, have we learnt the other one? So insides have a? Yeah. I've had people and I've nagged about them about the words of these and they still walk in and say the wrong thing or do the opposite. Outsides are vertical. Yeah. Outsides are vertical. Insides are horizontal. That's high. Horizontal, no, doesn't work.